Little Storyteller.
Once upon a time, in a bright and cheerful kitchen, lived a group of happy gummy bears. There was Barnaby, who was big and blue, Rosie, who was small and red, and Sunny, who was yellow and always giggling. Today was a very exciting day. "We are going on an adventure," Barnaby boomed, his voice like a gentle rumble. Rosie and Sunny bounced with excitement. Their adventure involved a big green leaf that had fallen onto the kitchen counter and some long, stretchy licorice strings. "We will build a parachute," Sunny squeaked, his yellow body wiggling with joy. They carefully laid the big green leaf on the counter. It was almost as big as Barnaby. Rosie, being the cleverest of the three, showed them how to tie the licorice strings to the corners of the leaf. Barnaby used his strong paws to hold the leaf steady, and Sunny's tiny paws helped to tighten the knots. Finally, their gummy bear parachute was ready. It looked like a giant leafy umbrella with colorful licorice strings dangling down. Barnaby carefully climbed onto the edge of the kitchen counter, holding on to the licorice strings of their invention. Rosie and Sunny watched from below, on the clean kitchen floor, their eyes wide with excitement. With a deep breath and a little wiggle, Barnaby jumped. The green leaf opened up like a gentle flower, and Barnaby floated slowly down to the floor. "We did it!" Rosie cheered, clapping her tiny paws. Sunny giggled and bounced, happy that their friend had landed safely. Working together to build the parachute made their adventure even more fun. They learned that when everyone helps, even big challenges can become exciting games.
Please subscribe. Thank you.